Hey there folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing the Nobility floor plan by Pulte Homes. You can find this floor plan at many of Pulte's Southwest Florida communities. The Nobility is a 2,900 square foot home, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Really nice, great room design as you go in. Let's walk in and take a look at this beautiful layout. So when you come into the Nobility, directly on the left-hand side are going to be your 2 guest bedrooms, and they have a Jack and Jill style bath. So as we come into the left, you've got your first guest bedroom right up here. Nice sized room. And then this opens up over here to where you have the walk-in closet, really nice sized walk-in there. You've got a single sink here, and then you've got a pocket door that closes off the tub here and toilet area as well. Now coming back around to the second guest bedroom, you've got the entry here. Again, really nice sized bedroom. You do have a walk-in style closet here as well. But one of the unique things here is, again, you have a vanity here that's accessible, but then you have a door that closes off, and this takes you right into this bathroom here with the commode. All right, so coming back out into the foyer area, heading to the right here, we've got a half bath for the rest of the home. And then this opened up really nice into this huge, great room with the kitchen overlooking the dining and your entertainment areas here. It's an awesome space. High ceilings, you get the trays. Really nice floor plan here. Well, let's go ahead and we're gonna start off to the side of the kitchen here. And off to the side here, you've got a walk-in style pantry for your kitchen, which is really nice. You've got this area here, which you can use like a mudroom, sitting room, make it whatever you want. That's the entry to the garage, which is currently used as the Pulte Model Home Center. Now, just off of that, you've got a huge laundry room here with additional storage. You've got a utility sink, and then also you have a folding station here on the opposite side. Now, coming back out into the great room area, you've got your wall oven, microwave, you've got your fridge, beautiful island here, and this overlooks everything here. And directly behind us, you've got your cooktop and additional cabinetry. Now, coming down on the opposite side of the kitchen here, this is where you're gonna find your master suite. Now, coming into the master suite to the left, you've got this huge closet. Huge closet here. And then we walk directly into the master sleeping area. Really nice sized space here with lots of windows, providing for plenty of natural light. Unique thing about this master bedroom also is you've got this dedicated sitting area here. And also, there is a wet bar right here. Really nice addition. And then you've got a little media center set up. And then we've got the master bath here, which coming into the master bath, you've got the split vanities. So you've got one on this side here, one on the other. You've got the linen closet, you've got your private commode room. And then also in this floor plan, you've got the owner's walk-in closet option in lieu of garage space. So here's another walk-in closet here. And then you've got your walk-in style shower with bench seat. Now, the last thing we've got to do is check out the outdoor living space on this home. Now, coming through, this particular home has the 90-degree slider here. So that pockets on either side opens up really nice. You've got this nice space under truss here. Beautiful under truss space. You do have access through that door to the master. And then you've got this huge pool area, the custom pool on it. And beautiful lake view from the back of this particular model. All right, guys, so this is the Nobility by Pulte Homes. If you're interested in this floor plan, we can help you find this floor plan in many of Pulte's Southwest Florida communities. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group, and we appreciate you watching.